Assalamu alaikum. My today's speech topic is our martyrs' blood will not go in vain. The list of people that spilled their blood for this country is too long. I'm afraid that I will run out of time, but mark my words that I speak for all of you and none of you is forgotten. Dear fellows, Pakistan was not built with ease. People laid their life for this country, may it be on the snowy mountain of Siachen, on the LOC at Lahore, under the black elephants of India. People have spilled blood. And those people, we will never forget them till the end of our days. May I take you all back to that morning of 1965 when Lahore was under attack and the Indian army had planned a perfect sneak to startle our ranks and hope to overcome our forces and to have drinks in the Lahore Gymkhana in the morning. Men like Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed, along with Sipahi Maqbool Hussain, who stood tall in front of all enemies and had them run for their life. As Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam said that it's better to die on your feet than to live on your knees. We still remember the blood spilled in Army Public School where 6 men took the innocent life and spread destruction everywhere. And those men faced death in the exact way they deserve it. People of our nation never backed down from a fight and they have always risen from the ashes. On the 14th of August, we got our motherland from the Indians. For many days, nothing but train filled with blood reached at the train station on this side of subcontinent. We are still the men, daughters and sons of those men who would sell their households and help the soldiers. We can again rise to become those people who fought for this country. May Allah guide us in becoming the better men and help them in honoring our martyrs. Thank you.